Hi, I'm Ali, the induction technical expert here at GE Profile. We get a lot of questions about cooking with induction, so today let's look at what it is and why induction is the smartest choice for your kitchen. Induction cooking uses a high-frequency induction coil below the cooktop's smooth surface. Compatible cookware converts the energy from a magnetic field between the coil and the cookware into heat. It's fast, efficient, and responsive. And by directly heating the pan instead of the glass, it gives you more control while using less energy. The smart cooktop detects cookware and automatically turns off when it's removed. This also means less heat in the kitchen and keeps the surrounding surface cooler and easier to clean. The best way to demonstrate this technology is to show how fast an induction cooktop can boil a pot of water versus a traditional gas cooktop. With induction, water boils in nearly half the time. With surface units that adjust instantly, you get maximum control and precise results. And by maintaining consistent heat, you can let your gravy simmer for longer or melt butter without fear of burning it. Now let's discuss cookware. You can tell if your cookware is induction friendly if a magnet strongly sticks to the bottom. We recommend cookware made of magnetic material such as carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and enameled cast iron and steel. Sometimes, the amount of steel at the bottom may not be sufficient to guarantee optimal performance. To improve the efficiency of your induction cooktop, use cookware with flat bottoms that are sized within the center of the graphics on the cooktop glass. To determine the size of cookware, use a flat ruler and measure the bottom. When using induction-compatible aluminum cookware, be sure to use only the magnetic diameter on the bottom. Induction technology keeps the heat exactly where it's needed, on your food, so you can cook smarter and clean faster. To explore the full lineup of GE Profile induction products and learn more about how induction works, the type of cookware to use, and more, scan the QR code on your screen.